Hello everyone, if you're trying to play ARC Raiders and you keep getting this error, and Unreal process has crashed with their code UE-PioneerGame, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on ARC Raiders easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here app data, you're going to go into local, and here you're going to find the folder called Pioneer Game. So just click on any folder, press P on your keyboard. Here it is, PioneerGame. You're going to open it up, go into save then. You're going to go into config, Windows client, and here you'll have game user settings.ini. You're going to right click on it, click edit in notepad. And once you click edit in notepad, you'll have all of these settings here. So now what you're going to do is you're going to search for RTX GI quality, and you're going to find RTX GI quality here, and you're going to write static on it, just like I have here. Erase whatever it's written after the equal sign and write static there, and then just save the notepad file by going into your file here and then click save. And once you do that, now when you try to play ARC Raiders, you'll see that your game will work correctly and you will not get that Pioneer game crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.